Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sierra. For those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. This video is our monthly grocery haul collab that is hosted by Tiffany over at smalltownsix and Jessica over at My Rose Nature. So here it is, we are going to give you guys a monthly grocery haul of what we got. So for the month of May, this is what I've got. All right, so we got some milk, orange juice. These were buy one, get one free. So these are the yummy Dino Buddies, dinosaur shaped chicken breast nuggets. Like I said, buy one, get one free. So that was like about $7. So you got the other one for free. You got some meatless crispy tenders. So I got some Simply lemonade. We like to have lemonade. Also, I was thinking mostly for breakfast. Got this dairy, non-dairy, coconut ice cream for my 24-hour vegan challenge. And then I end up getting these like imitation Dippin' Dots. These are cotton candy flavored. I got some mild cheddar shredded cheese, some Oscar Mayer hot dogs, batter with cheddar hot dogs. And then these are new. This is low-fat yogurt tubes in mermaid cotton candy and unicorn cake batter. I got 2 Lunchables because there's always one thing out the week that the kids won't eat for school, so they take those for lunch. And I got a Silk almond vanilla milk, which is vegan friendly for my 24-hour challenge. Some cauliflower that I can throw in the air fryer. Bacon, Kansas City barbecue ribs. You cook these in a bag for like an hour and 20 minutes. It was $14.71, but we needed some new dinner ideas. 2 cartons of eggs, some Black Forest ham, as well as some pork chops. These pork chops were on sale for $4.03. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pork chops, which is enough to feed us 4. Then I ended up getting some chicken tenderloins. They were $7.45. This was the lowest price pack I could find in the freezer section. I also got some classic garden salad. All right, moving over to the non-cold food items, I did get the 12-pack of fruit cups with peaches, pears, and oranges. Got these Annie's Organic Bees, Bugs, and Butterfly fruit snacks, as well as Funables fruity fruit snacks. These are strawberry flavored. I did get some pizza sauce, hot sauce, fruit punch, Good to Grow, and then a Good to Grow fruit fusion. So these were for the kids just to have today. All right, I got a tropical punch body armor drink. Those are great just to take to work, to drink for my lunch, or to add into smoothies. So I have a kiwi strawberry body armor light, 2 bottles of ketchup. Gotta stay with the ketchup, or I gotta have that Polynesian sauce, thanks to my sis. So I did get the dairy-free plant powdered Hidden Valley Ranch. This is dairy-free. This is for my vegan 24-hour challenge. I got some stick pretzels. My son eats those like crazy. Got some real mayonnaise, some grape tomatoes for my salad, as well as the quick bread banana mix. This is my favorite mix to get if I don't feel like making it myself, because you don't need bananas, you just need water, oil, and eggs. I also got this pizza crust mix. This is the easiest thing I can think of in order to make a pizza, where you just have to add hot water and then oil and let it sit and bake for 10 minutes. So that should be fun. I got some birthday cake granola clusters. This is my favorite to have. Yes, it has 270 calories. Who cares? I just like putting it in my yogurt. I also got the kids some frosted donuts on the go. They like these, so I'm gonna let them split those. This is the Sun-Made Raisin Mini Packs, snack pack tapioca pudding. I ended up getting 2 of the Country Time Lemonade on the go boxes and 2 of the chocolate chip chewy dipped granola bars. Those make great breakfasts as well. And then I got some flour tortillas. I also got hot dog buns and classic white bread. I did end up getting some apple drinks. Unfortunately, it spilled on me in the parking lot, so one of them busted and the rest of them are here in this bag. This is Monanza Crisp Apple Soda. It smelled really good when it bust, but all right, so I did get Minute Maid Fruit Punch. These are new. This is called Alani Fizzy Flavored Water and Cotton Candy flavored. Has no caffeine, so I thought that I would try that. Then we got Dr. K, Orange Soda, Strawberry Soda, Citrus Drop. And last but not least, these are the non-cold foods that I did get. This was part of my couponing. So these two were buy one, get one free. So this was about $6.99. The Old Spice Moisturized Body Wash with shea butter. Got the Skin Relief Body Wash for itchy, dry skin. We got the Blue Mint Antiseptic Mouth Rinse, the Dove Pampering, and then the Poise Ultra Thin Pads, the Sheer Band-Aids, and the Axe deodorant, and then a Rev Care Red Toothbrush, Plackers Dental Floss Picks, and 150. And last but not least, the aluminum-free Speed Stick and Ocean Surf. So yes, all of these items for the month of May. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in the description box down below. And thanks for watching.